The ICE Center is an innovative career education center in Anglophone School District North. Our mission is to provide an opportunity for students to explore a potential career path while developing a meaningful plan for their future. We connect students with industry experts to provide valuable experiences that allow students to prepare for success beyond the classroom.
I started in the ICE Center in grade 11, did the welding course, and then I went on in grade 12 to do the aviation course. I had a good idea that I wanted to do welding, but I didn't really know if it was for me, so I seen the ICE Center, it was available, so I went on and did that, and it really gave me a good understanding of how that's going to be working in the workforce. So I got my actual welding license during the ICE Center.
I love the fact that it's in a literal airport. I think that's amazing rather than just like a standard, classroom in school. I think it really adds to the atmosphere and everything, and yeah, I just love it.
It's super helpful for what you'd like to do in the future, and it definitely gives you a really good idea of what you'll be doing because it's super hands-on and very interactive.
It's getting to sit in those simulators in there. It's just something you can learn, test out different equipment, and then going to the pit is you're more hands-on. It's more almost like a job site.
It was a completely different atmosphere compared to the high school. Better machines, learn a lot more, so it was very nice.
The ICE Center is an excellent opportunity for students in ASDN to just get overall career experience. Do they like to work in big groups? Maybe they like to work in small groups. So they're learning a lot about themselves while also learning a lot about specific careers.
Having this kind of taste in different fields, because the ICE Center also provides different things, is great because reading something online or hearing about it is something, and actually experiencing it hands-on kind of experience is completely different.
You're actually able to learn on site through experiences, interactions you have. You're able to build connections. I've had a lot of fun. It's bringing me a lot of joy.
I feel the ICE Center program is very important in the fact that it provides the high school students hands-on job experience in which they need in a preferred career path that leads to jobs right here in New Brunswick.
We value the partnership with the ICE Center. They come in, grade 11, 12 students. They bring a lot to the nursing staff working here and the residents' quality of life because they're very engaged while they're here.
The ICE Center has been a great help to be able to provide opportunities for kids outside of the traditional educational environment. And this allowed us to target Indigenous youth specifically towards a specific trade or a skill that they wanted to develop in a more deliberate fashion.
The ICE program creates such a smooth transition for students going from high school to college by aligning the curriculum from high school with the post-secondary training.
So trying multiple things is a great thing to do because I was maybe I should go for electrical instead of welding. And when I tried it, I was this is all fun, but I like doing welding more. And it really helped narrow down what I wanted to do.
We've got some really excellent examples of how this program has helped shape the students' interest in their future, where they have gone into a specific area, have not enjoyed it, but chose a different career within healthcare. And that's important, and that's demonstrating success of this program.
I highly recommend. It's a positive, and it's getting our young students who are ready to go in the workplace a good way to start, and the more it's positive, the better they'll choose a career.
Our crew is getting older and older. I have 2 guys that's waiting just to retire. We have nobody to fill out the seats. We need to invest in training the next generation.
When I took the ICE Center course, I took the heavy construction course, and the teacher that was teaching the class mentioned forestry simulators and let me try them for a couple of days. I'm now 18 years old and working full-time in the forestry sector.
The students don't realize the opportunities that are in their own community. Everyone is eager to move away, especially when you're from a small town. So we really try to show them what is around here. There's amazing jobs right here in the community they didn't even know exist.
With this relationship, I've seen students come through the ICE program, join our programs here at the college at MBCC, and now to see them working in the field here in New Brunswick, having a job in New Brunswick is just such a great and rewarding experience for me.
I would just say that any partnerships with our community and partnerships with our schools are important, and the ICE Center has been pivotal in demonstrating their commitment to students, their commitment to the employers, and ensuring that we have the right people coming into the workforce to support future sustainability in our province.
I feel grateful for the opportunity to be so hands-on on it at just being in school.
It's a great opportunity, and I think that anyone who gets this opportunity should really take it, because it is so helpful. Whether you're confused or you know this is what you want to do, it's just a great way to discover things not only about yourself, but about your future too.